stopping by. Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And since you already seen the first video and you knew that I left the other store, a Nike factory store or the Nike outlet store, because there's a lot of reseller and not much going on or things to purchase, so I was on my way to the next outlet. So let's go and check it out. What do they have in this or the next outlet? So it is the Simpsonville outlet. So the deal on this outlet, so we got 140 and this Air Jordan Retro, about the same on the other outlet. Also the Jordan Max Aura, 70 bucks with the black and white gold accent, and they're selling for 69 or 70 bucks outlet. But this outlet they got 60 bucks and 20% off, about the same on the Indiana, but here lesser tax and it's 60 bucks for 20% off. Okay, so it's almost just the same on the other outlet, $79.99 with this Jordan Mars 270. Kind of Jordan, they copy this one, but this one, the shutterback board, I know it is shutterback boards Mars 270, and they are selling for 80 bucks, no additional discount. Also they got sitting here still on the same price, $99.97 with additional 20% off, the Air Jordan 2 Retro beige, and they had a couple sizes behind but no one's buying them. I don't know. So we got the Air Jordan Legacy 312 low, 60 bucks, no additional discount. Also the highs, $59.99, Legacy 312 colorways, the black, fire, and red. This one is much cheaper the other week because they are $59.99 with additional 20 before, but now they don't have one. This one, how about what do you think about this one? Jordan 1 RE high double strap, $64.97 with additional 20% off. I would pass on this one, but a lot of people much more cheaper the last week or 2 weeks ago, which not good price today. So let's move on with this one, the Air Jordan 8 Retro SE Special Edition. I'm not sure what kind of concept they did on this one, but this is on retail for $225, as you can see, $225 for the Air Jordan 8 Retro SE. What do you think about this one? Please leave a comment down below. So what do you think of this one? ACG React Terra Gold, which on sale for $79.97 with the additional 20, and the retail on this one is $150. I might want to have this one because this one have the sole of Epic React, and it's also good for running shoe because it is probably gonna be good ones for wet area on this part, so might want to take it. Another good running shoe with the Nike Zoom Pegasus 34 in triple black. They had them 20%. This one also the Air Zoom Pegasus 34, much more cheaper, $59.97 with the additional 20%. Mostly this one retail are in $120. How about this one, Air Zoom Bomero 14, $79 with the additional 20% off. Another good deal for a running shoes, $69.97 with additional 20% off. We got the Nike Lab Zoom Fly SP. Colorway is Sepia Store Sepia Stone. What do you think about that one? Not much going on here in women's section. So this one, a weird looking women's Zoom Gravity, $34.97 with additional 20. Not bad for the price though. So what else we could find here in the women's section? We got the women Nike Zoom Fly SP. Colorway is a black hyper pink blue tint, $70 with additional 20% off. What do you think about this women's running shoes? If you're looking for a cheap running shoes for women, we got the Nike Flex Control 3, $34.97, and this one is much more cheaper. Women's Nike Revolution for $29.97 with the additional 20% off. What do you think about this one? Okay, we got Nike Free Run Flyknit 2018, $80 with a 20% off. Not bad. Okay, so we are in training shoes. Nike Women's Metcon 4 CHM. Colorway is Sail Metallic Gold, and they're selling for $70. And how about the different color, which is the Particle Beige Celestial Teal? Same price, $70 with the additional 20% off. Let's check out the different aisle. We got nice one here. Nice Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 35 Turbo. They were selling for $84.97. The colorway is Teal Tint Blue and Void Red Orbit with the Nike Zoom X, and they are selling $84.97 with a 20% off. So this one is nice, good running shoes though. Okay, moving on, $54.97 with additional 20% off on the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34. Well, nice for the running shoes, especially the color of black and gold. Not bad for the price, $54.97 with the additional 20% off. And also they got a different colorway, the Nike Zoom Air Pegasus 34 rust pink, tropical pink. So this one are the wide version. So also this one also a wide version. So as you can see on the box, it says wide for wide foot. Okay, let's see what we could find here on the clearance floor or the hash floor. Looks like almost just the same, but let's check it out. Okay, look at this one. We got the Air Jordan Legacy 312 selling for $49.97 with the additional 20% off. So what would be that one? $39.99 for this Jordan Legacy 312, and it's my size, huh? Let's check that one. Oh, probably. So they got this Air Jordan Legacy 312, $59.99, and the lows also in $59.99. Jordan Legacy 312 low, $59.99 with the 20. Looks like we could find something good today. We got the Kyrie 5 black and Summit white, and $79.99 for the price with the additional 20%. What do you think about this one? $79.99 with additional 20. What else? Okay, I think that's about it. Not much going on. So probably just the Kyrie 5 is the only one that I see that is much good for a collection and more profitable. So all right, there you go. So we are back at home and had a good ones on this outlet today. The second outlet, the first one is worst, and the second one, not that much, but it's still good because pick up few that I knew that it's gonna be good ones to resell. I'm not gonna have it on the collection though, so I'm just gonna flip this pick up today. Only one shoe and one SKU, but they have 10 pieces of shoes. I'm just gonna show you later. But also grab also some clothing, a lot of clothing today. They surprised me with those prices because there are a lot of discount with this shoe, really good ones. So like more than 70% off or more than 80, some more 90%. So not bad for those clothing, and I'm thinking that's gonna be a good one for resale and also give a gift and also for personal purposes. So let's move on and let's take them out to outside and bring it inside our house. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. As always, Nolasco here, signing off. See you later. Peace.